Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hide your online and last seen status on Instagram. This easy guide will help you take control of your privacy settings. By following a few simple steps, you can prevent others from seeing when you are active or when you were last online. It's a great way to enjoy the app with more discretion and peace of mind. To begin, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, find and tap on Messages and Story Replies, then show Activity Status. Simply toggle the switch off to hide your online presence. Once you disable your activity status, two main things happen. First, others will no longer see when you are online or your last active time. Second, you also won't be able to see their activity status. This creates a more balanced and private experience for everyone involved, giving you greater control over your visibility. Remember, this change is universal across all your devices linked to your Instagram account. You can always re-enable your activity status by following the same steps if you change your mind. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.